Have you ever thought to yourself, can I invest on my budget and actually create something meaningful? Or I can't invest because I don't have thousands to get started with. Well, what I'm going to share with you today, I hope it shows you that you can. I just completed my latest challenge, which was investing $10 daily, Monday through Friday, into Nvidia for 11 weeks straight. I was a part of this challenge over at KGU, Keenan Grace's Discord. And this time around, we did a challenge for 11 weeks because it was a sector challenge. And we decided to tie the length of time to the number of sectors that there are. And I chose NVIDIA, which falls under the technology sector, more specifically, semiconductors. So I traded the coffee and food that we grab on the go, that $10 that you spend so easily, into adding ownership into the current AI king. So today I'm going to be sharing how many shares I added, the total gain when it comes to my portfolio, and how things are looking ahead of NVIDIA's earnings, which are coming up on Wednesday. Okay, so let's get into my results. 11 weeks, $10 a day, that's $550 invested. When we started this challenge at the beginning of September, I had 18 shares in this portfolio. My average cost, $119.41. Total portfolio value, $3,069.44. A gain of 42.80%, $920.07. Now, after 11 weeks of being consistent with my $10 daily, I added 2.911 shares, bringing me almost to 21 shares. Average cost $128.39. Total portfolio value of $3,976.64 with a gain of 48.11%, up $1,291.81. So, this is investing using the power of fractional shares. Each $10 investment daily, no matter what the price of Nvidia was, slowly built up my portfolio. Just dollar cost averaging, some days buying at higher points than others, and just letting all of those amounts average out. And when it comes to my gains, these are considered unrealized. It's profit on paper right now until I sell it, and don't plan on selling anytime soon. This is a long-term hold for me. I love doing these challenges. I love that fractional shares exist and allows us to have the opportunity to invest even with small amounts. Just take the emotion out of it. Stick to your plan. For me, that was my $10 a day commitment for these 11 weeks into an investment that I wanted more exposure to in my portfolio. This company that has literally been fueling everything related to AI, ChatGPT, data centers, self-driving cars, robotics, so many different things are running on NVIDIA's chips. And in order to have exposure to this, in order to add it into my portfolio, all I had to do was be consistent, show up for those 55 days and stick to my plan. Now, there were some dips in the market, and there was some time periods when the price was really pumping up, but I just stuck with it and stayed focused on the long term. So, coming up on this Wednesday, November 19th, NVIDIA will be having their earnings for Q3. So, the earnings will be coming out on Wednesday after the bell. Analysts expect 54 to 55 billion dollars in revenue, nearly 100% growth year over year. Earnings per share in the range of 1.20 through 1.25, up more than 50% year over year, with data centers expected to contribute 50 billion. And the Blackwell chips are now in full production with 500 billion in orders across 2025 and 2026 already locked in. As of the time that I'm recording, the stock price is $187.66. Analysts are giving it an average price target of $240.46 and a high of $350. Nearly 100% of the analysts rated a strong buy. And when it comes to Nvidia, several firms have raised their price targets after the CEO revealed that $500 billion of anticipated orders. Nvidia's market cap has come down a bit, currently at 4.5, but they were the first company ever to hit a $5 trillion market cap last month. So we'll be watching on Wednesday to see if they beat $55 billion, what their Q4 guidance is looking like, as well as supply issues and anything related to the Blackwell chips. So, what am I doing now that my challenge is completed? I'm still going. I added another $10 today, bringing me even closer to that 21 shares. And then from there, I'll keep going, building towards 25 shares. So whether you do it with an individual stock like Nvidia or an ETF that tracks the S&P 500, going in there and doing it manually or setting up your reoccurring deposit and investment in your app at your brokerage company to do it automatically. I just want you to know that it can be done. Small, consistent amounts truly add up over time. Those shares gaining value, those dividends coming in and getting reinvested are what allow you to build wealth by buying and holding good quality investments for the long term. So, drop me some comments. I hope you enjoyed this update. Let me know if you go about building up your portfolios through small, consistent amounts like this. Are you going to be getting started? What can you commit to? $5, $10, or even $1 a day? If you're not already, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, hype it if you can. All of that is engagement that shows that you enjoyed this video. I'm here showing you that regular people like you and me can invest and make our money make more money. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.